Hello everyone, my name is Rohit Dodi. Today the topic of my presentation electronic payment system. Objective to understand the concept of electronic payment system and its security service. To bring out solution in the form of applications to approved electronic payment. To understand working of various electronic payment system based applications. What electronic payment system is? Electronic payment system is a financial exchange that takes place online between buyers and sellers. The content of this exchange usually some form of digital financial instrument such as encrypted credit numbers, electronic checks or digital cash that is backed by an intermediaries of by a legal tender. Electronic payment system is a system which helps the customer or user to make online payment for their shopping. Two storage method online. Individual does not have possession personally of electronic cash. Trusted third party, example online bank holds customer cash accounts offline. Customer holds cash on smart card or software wallet. Fraud and double spending require tamper proof encryption. Types of EPS: eCash, e-wallets, credit cards, smart cards. eCash, a system that allows a person to pay for goods or service by transmitting of numbers from one computer to another, like the serial number on real currency notes. eCash numbers are unique. This is used by a bank and represent a specified sum of real money. It is anonymous and reachable. eCash processing. First, consumer buy eCash from bank. Second, bank sends eCash bit to consumer. Third, consumer sends eCash to merchant. For merchant checks with bank that eCash is valid. 5. Bank verifies cash is valid. 6. Parties complete transaction. E-wallet. The e-wallet is another payment scheme that operates like a carrier of eCash other information. The aim is to give shoppers a single and secure way of carrying currency electronically. Trust is the basis of the e-wallet as a form of electronic payment. Procedures of using an e-wallet. First, decide on an online site where you would like to shop. Second, download a wallet from the merchant website. Third, fill out person information such as your credit card numbers, name, address and phone number, and where merchandise should be shipped for. Where you are ready to buy, click on the wallet button. The buying process is fully executed. Credit cards. It is a plastic card having a magnetic number and code on it. It has some fixed amount to spend. Customer has to reply the spend amount after some time. Smart card. A smart card is any pocket size card with embedded integrated circuits which can process data. This implies that it can receive input which is processed and delivered as on output. Smart card processing. First, user opens account and receives smart card. Second, user download currency into cards. Third, user insert card in readers. Fourth, currency is transferred from user card to vendor. Fifth, goods are delivered. Sixth, vendor redeems currency. eCheck. An eCheck is an electronic version of paper check, fast check processing and very low transaction cost. Digital signature can be seen. Thank you.